Meaning of high top.
High top.
High top.
High top.
High top. The term high top is typically used to describe a type of shoe that extends above the ankle. These shoes offer more support and stability than low-cut shoes, and are often worn by basketball players for this reason. However, high top can also refer to other items that are tall or have an elevated height, such as high-top tables or high-top fans. In general, high top implies something that is taller or more elevated than its counterparts, and is often associated with increased functionality or performance.